Hey, Mark.
Hey, Kevin.
What do you got going on over here?
All right, so what we have is an old door opening, and we want to make it go away.
So like bulkhead door, at some point they put it in, they close it up for obvious reasons, and homeowners are like, we don't want to see this. We want to dress this up, make it look like rubble stone foundation all the way around.
Exactly. But luckily for us, we have enough stone on this site here to mimic what we want to do. We're not going to build it exactly the same way, but we do have a solution, which is stone veneer.
Veneer?
I'm first going to take a stone, just like this. What I'm going to do is cut that in half. I have a modified mortar that I'm going to use that's going to help me stick that stone to this wall. And the most important thing I'm going to do, Kevin, is mimic the work behind me.
So it starts with a cut.
That's right. All I'm going to do is turn it on, pull the saw down, push the table forward, and just walk my stone back and forth. This blade will heat up pretty quickly. And then it starts to cut a little erratically. So to avoid that, again, you'll see me kind of pull down, push, and just get through the stone as fast as I can.
Cool. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Wow. That is awesome. That's smooth as glass right there.
Smooth. You throw the mortar on that, throw it up against the block wall, wait a couple minutes, it'll stick, next stone.
So this is more of a base that you're starting with, Mark, because that's not a veneer.
That's right. So what I'm doing down here is I'm mimicking the bottom stones that I have on the wall.
Sure, kick that a little bit.
That's right. And you can see where the small stones start to come up as you climb the wall.
Gotcha.
So this particular stone might go somewhere in here.
Right. Then taper it back up.
We'll taper it back up, but again, we're just trying to mimic these base stones.
You see something you like around here, I'll go get it for you.
All right.
What size you looking for now, Mark?
Basically, these softballs and soccer balls.
So that's one of our first veneers.
This is one of the first veneer stones. I'm gonna go right there with it, wiggle it in place.
I got another veneer guy here.
Oh, I like that better, actually.
You didn't, look at that, you didn't cut that or anything.
Nope. And we're gonna scrape all these joints down with a stick. That'll give it a certain texture. Mother Nature will take over in a few years. This will look exactly like everything to my left.
Very cool. I'm seeing a lot of artists on the job site today. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.